Racing just is started with Accuracy. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside is Blue Collar Boy. Down on the inside is Yachtler's Treasure. Golden New Wild Speed. Admiral leads the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. We have Blue Collar Boy. 1 length and a half. Accuracy in second. Golden New is down on the inside. Alongside fourth comes Yachtler's Treasure. Wild Speed. Admiral is still running up the tail of the field. Then as they swing down the back, we have Blue Collar Boy by about 4 lengths. And in second is Accuracy. Yachtler's Treasure is down on the inside third. Golden New Wild Speed. Admiral is still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have Blue Collar Boy. Then here comes Accuracy. Down on the inside is Yachtler's Treasure. Golden New Speed. Admiral likewise now starting to put big strides. And at the far turn, we have Blue Collar Boy by about half length. Down on the inside is Yachtler's Treasure. Accuracy, Speed, Admiral, and Golden New as they swing for home. We have Yachtler's Treasure. Blue Collar Boy is on the outside. Last 100 meters. Yachtler's Treasure followed by Blue Collar Boy on the outside. But it's still Yachtler's Treasure followed by Blue Collar Boy. And finally, we have Yachtler's Treasure. Blue Collar Boy, Speed, Admiral, Accuracy, and Golden New.
2-5-3-4-1 datingan natin. So, si Yachtler's Treasure din ang ating winner dyan with Deo Fernandez.